Hi, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, and yeah, here we go. We're just gonna jump right into this one. In this video, I'm trying out Spanish snacks, or if you like pinchos, or if you like tapas, as they're called in different parts of Spain. I'm going to show you a photo very quickly of what I'm going to be tasting. We have some ham, we have some tomato, we have some cheese, we have some beer, and we have some, yeah, and those are the things that I will be tasting. Okay, so I've gone ahead and opened up some of the things. For example, the olives with anchovies, filled with anchovies. I'm not sure if you can really tell what that looks like. Okay, so there's some like preservative liquid in there. So I took out a few and put them in this little bowl with my little fork there. I'll just use my finger to eat them. And I'm going to be trying out this beer. It's called San Miguel, just to help the snacks go down. What else do I have? I have this here. It's called salchichon, turkey. Salchichon, pavo is turkey. What else? I have that, cured ham. It's kind of hard to tell what directions. Yeah, cured ham, and it says it's got 25% less salt. Okay, trying to keep it healthy. Yeah, and what else? Oh yeah, I forgot the cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open each one and taste it and let you know what I think of it. So that's me opening the cheese. Well, it doesn't really open very well because it has this like little indicator, and I ripped it, and that's how it's opened. So yeah, and it continues not to open so great, but then you know as we go. So I like this because it's already cut. Yeah, I'm lazy and I like things to be done for me already. So I'm just gonna grab one piece so you can see what that's like. I won't eat that because, well, I guess you shouldn't. But yeah, so there's a little piece of cheese and I'm gonna taste it. Well, eat it, not taste it. And I mean, it's cured cheese, so it's got a little bit of oomph to it. I like it. I really like the taste. Typically, if you go into a bar, you find a bar offers this, or you could prepare it at home. The cheese as well as the ham that I just showed you on a piece of bread or a little baguette. I'll have a little photo come up here so you can see what I mean. So yeah, I really like this cheese. So yeah. Next, like I showed you before, I've already opened these. Excuse me, I'm talking with food in my mouth. As I showed you, I already opened this, and I'm going to just go ahead now and taste it. So there's one. Yeah, I mean, you can't really tell, but it's filled with yeah, that little opening there indicates that it's like got anchovies in it. It's an olive. I really like these, pretty yummy. So typically you can make a platter. I might make one and show you a photo. Not really sure how this goes, but how this is going to go. But yeah, I love the taste of the olives with the anchovies. Some people don't like anchovies, so maybe not. Sometimes it comes with, well, the little seed inside, but I'm really a fan of these. I really like them. What next? Oh yeah, I showed you some tomato. That's because typically you put it on like a little slice of bread. Not this one, this is not very typical, but that's what I have here at home, so I'm just going to use that. And you would lace the bread with some of the onion and slap on some of this ham here, and it's called pan tumaca. It's amazing, or just pan con jamon y tomate, if you like. Well, bread with tomato and ham. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and try to open this ham so you can see. It also has a little sticker at the bottom there indicating that you rip that off, so I'm gonna try to do that. As you saw for the cheese, it didn't really work out, so there you go. That's what it looks like. I'm touching it because I'm going to eat it, so there, you rip that off, and as you can see, it's got a few pieces of cured ham in there. And what's nice is that when you lift it off, there's that little film, so you will lift it off the bread. I mean, not the bread, but you will lift it out of the pack, and that's just basically what one looks like. It's pretty delicious. I am a fan of this stuff. Oh my god. And what's next? The salchichon. I'll open it. So there's a little thingy at the end there indicating I can rip it off, which I'm going to try to do. And there, oh, the smell when you open it, oh my god. Also, I'm hungry, so that's what it looks like they're laid down in threes, and I'll grab one. Typically you would eat this with bread or on its own, like I'm doing, and they're pretty amazing. I mean, oh, I love the taste of salchichon. It's just it's got lots of flavor. I mean, both the ham and the salchichon, they have lots of flavor. You know, like can't really choose which one I like more. I like all of these things combined. And yeah, so I'll show you a few photos of maybe a platter that's prepared, how you would prepare it typically. I'll try to, but basically that was me trying out Spanish food. Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna try the beer and give you my 2 cents on it. This is turning out to be a much longer video than I hoped, so I've opened it. That's the San Miguel. Yeah, it's well, it's beer. It's not my most favorite beer, but for the purpose of this and trying out, I would, out of 10, I would give this one. But then again, some people say canned beer, bottled beer, or beer from beer on tap, it's like it's different, blah blah blah. But you go into any bar and you typically get San Miguel. So I just supermarket bought canned beer. So so out of a 10, I would give the beer a, this is tough, I would give it a 4.5 maybe. It's not my most favorite beer, but yeah, that's, there are other brands I'm gonna try and taste and give you my opinion on. Very nice. So basically you go into a bar and you have all of these little snacks, or you could make a platter at home. Typically you should have, or you should have like a baguette or a piece of bread that goes with this. But like I said, I don't have that. I didn't get it, and I just have what I have. And yeah, so that was me, a Zambian girl tasting Spanish food, or snacks if you like. Until the next video, I hope you liked it. Comment, tell me if there's anything else you think I should try, or yeah, if you have any recommendations, please comment and leave your recommendations in the comments box. Until the next video, bye. Thanks for stopping by.